Hi, I am Pradeep Srivastava. Welcome to you, my YouTube channel. Today's topic is matrices. What is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns like this. This is your matrix, and these are the elements of the matrix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the elements of the matrix, and it can be written in capital letter. This is equal to matrix A. Now you can see elements. These are the elements of the matrix. Now what is the order of matrix? Order of matrix. Number of rows and columns, that is known as order of the matrix. Suppose this is your matrix C. Then you can see there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Hence order of the matrix is order of matrix A is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. It can read as 2 by, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Hence its order will be 2 by 3. Types of the matrix. Matrices is a plural of matrix. Row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix in which only one row, that is known as row matrix. This is your row matrix. Column matrix. A matrix which has only one column, that is known as column matrix. This is your column matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which rows and columns are equal, that is known as square matrix. For example, now you can see this is the order of D is 2 by 2. Rectangular matrix. A matrix in which of rows are not equal to number of columns, that is known as rectangular matrix. For example, this is your rectangular matrix of order 2 by 3. Matrix. Or zero matrix. A matrix in which all elements are 0, that is known as null or zero matrix. For example, this is your null matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all elements are zero except diagonal. For example, this is your diagonal matrix. You can say this is a square matrix and every element are zero except leading diagonal. This is known as leading diagonal. This is known as leading diagonal. It is also known as principal diagonal. Unit matrix or identity matrix. It is denoted by I. A square matrix in which all elements of leading diagonal is 1 and remaining elements are 0 each. That is known as unit matrix. This is your unit matrix of 3 by 3. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix is obtained on interchanging rows and columns. For example, this is your matrix A. Transpose of A dash, that is equal to 2, 6, 7, 3, 9, 10. This is your transpose of matrix. Equality of matrix. Two matrix is said to be equal if both have of same order, Second, each element of first matrix is equal to each element of second matrix. Example, A is equal to and B is equal to matrix A is equal to matrix B. That's all for today. Like and subscribe my video. Thank you.